Anyway, so let's talk about these scams as they happen in sequence. First, we had the CWG scam. Heard of that? And after this scam happened, Sheila Dikshit came out. She said that, oh, CWG is a monumental achievement. I was like, of course, but where are the monuments? And then, to divert your attention from this scam, they said that CWG could be a potential terrorist target. I'll tell you what the terrorists were thinking when they saw that news. Ajmal. No, why would we want to bomb these games? They're bombing on their own already. Look, that bridge fell down, killed 2 of our jihadis. I told you it was suicidal to send suicide bombers to the Commonwealth Games. But you never listened to me. And what would we bomb? We sent Amir Mohammad Jamil 3 months back to bomb the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. But it wasn't ready on time to be bombed. But chief, the stadium is ready now. Yeah, but now Amir and Mohammed, they have got dengue. And who will be bombed? The foreign athletes have boycotted already. Who will be bombed? These people fixing the pipe leaks? I say we also boycott the games, That is why there were no blasts at the Commonwealth Games. And the funny thing about the Commonwealth Games scam is that people think that scam is over. No, it's happening. Because see, Commonwealth Games, it's not a scam. It's an attitude which says, yes, we can. Play with the wealth of the common man. In fact, all these scams, CWG, 2G, KG, they're not scams, they're attitudes. What happened in CWG? They gave the contracts way above the market price. In 2G, they sold the licenses way below the market price. And in KG, they asked Reliance, hey, tell us, what is the market price? 3 different models. Different models. First is called price fixing, second is called license Raj, and the third is called reliance on reliance. And all 3 come under the umbrella of one model called the B2B model, business to bureaucracy model, So it's not over, it's happening. Then you had 2G scam, right? A. Raja did that. And after his name came out, Karunanidhi came out in his defense and said that, oh, he's being targeted because he's a Dalit. I'm like, no, he's the MP because he's a Dalit, And then they sent... Then they sent CBI 2 months later to raid his house. एक तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि CBI जो है रेड मारने जाती है, अपनी इज्जत की रेड मरवाने जाती है. क्या फंडा है? What was the CBI expecting to find after 2? And they said that, CBI said that, oh, we have found a personal diary of A. Raja with incriminating evidence. And I was like, how romantic is that? I mean, here is a guy who's just pulled off a close to 2 lakh crore scam. Do you really expect him to document his wrongdoings in a personal diary? What was the CBI expecting to find? Dear diary, what a day. Made 10,000 crores with just a stroke of the hand. The money as we speak is being routed to my Hawala account number 9820967664. The transaction ID is ARAJADMKUPAMADAMG. And the account password is Rajamev Jayate. PS, I rock. Let me just sum up the whole 2G scam for you. Robbing the already impoverished exchequer, 1,76,000 crores. Then trying to cover up the whole scam by playing the Dalit card, priceless. There are some things money can't buy. For everything else, you have the minority card.
And A. Raja is Karunanidhi's protege. What I don't understand is, why does Karunanidhi needs money? Because Karunanidhi, he's an 85-year-old rotting conscience on dialysis. He drinks soups and shit spills. Why does he need money?
To buy more of those sunglasses to wear at night with his dhoti, or to buy a designer wheelchair by Dilip Chhabadiya. You know why? And have you seen that guy? He looks so ugly. He looks like a mixture of Mayawati, Mamta Banerjee and Jayalalitha. He's got the color of Mayawati, skin texture of Mamta Banerjee and the weight of Jayalalitha. And 86-year-old still alive. Karunanidhi is so old, recently his birth certificate expired. He's too old to even die a natural death now. You know? Now he can only die in his next life. You might ask how? See, we cannot do that, he can. Because Karunanidhi knows how to handle multiple portfolios, that's why, you know. And have you ever wondered why do politicians, they live so much more longer than normal people? I'll tell you, because they know how to miss deadlines, that's why, you know. And you look at these scams, CWG, 2G, you will realize why does Rahul Gandhi keep saying that we want educated people into politics? क्योंकि इतने sophisticated scam pull off करने के लिए आपको पढ़े लिखे लोग तो चाहिए. आप अनपढ़ लोगों के scam देखो, लालू चारा घोटाला करते थे. मायावती वो अपनी मूर्तियां बना के हाथियों के साथ ही खुश हैं. वो कर्नाटक में वो येडुरप्पा वो येड़ा येड़ी येड़ी रप्पा येड़ी येड़ी रप्पा येड़ी येड़ी रप्पा येड़ी 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 येडुरप्पा ने माइनिंग स्कैम किया. कितने ऑब्वियस स्कैम है माइनिंग स्कैम. आप आयरन ओर निकालोगे गड्ढा रहेगा दिखेगा वहां पे ना. आप इन लोगों के स्कैम देखो. चिदम्बरम ने पार्टिसिपेटरी नोट्स अलाउ किए थे, आपको पता भी नहीं होगा. सी दैट्स माय पॉइंट. 2G में लॉस कैलकुलेट नहीं हो पा रहा है. कितने सोफिस्टिकेटेड स्कैम है लोगों के. तो स्कैम हो गया. उसके बाद फिर कपिल सिब्बल आए. ही वाज विद द टेलीकॉम मिनिस्टर एंड द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ही मेड वाज 2G में जीरो लॉस है. उनकी गलती नहीं. देखिए उन्हें काउंटिंग जीरो तक आती है. कुछ लोग ऐसा मानते हैं, पर आई विल गिव हिम द बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट. देखिए जब कपिल सिब्बल ने कैग की रिपोर्ट पढ़ी, 1,76,000 करोड़ में इतने जीरो हैं, उनको सिर्फ जीरो ही दिखाई दिए होंगे. 12 जीरो है इस फिगर में. इतनी बड़ी फिगर है, कैग को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए लॉग टेबल यूज करनी पड़ी थी. मतलब let's not get disheartened because scams are not that bad. But I think scams like 2G, you know, they have reinforced India's image of unity and diversity in eyes of the whole world. Like what happened in 2G? You had a Dalit telecom minister from South India who conspired with a Harvard graduate finance minister to give telecom licenses to companies like Atisalat, a Dubai-based telco, which has connections with the Pakistani ISI, and whose India's MD Shahid Balwa has connections with Dawood Ibrahim. They give licenses to companies like Telenor, a Norway-based telco, which buys equipment from Chinese military, and allowing that in India puts us at a risk of cyber warfare with China. They ignored all that, all this mentioned in an internal Home Ministry report by ex-Home Minister Shivraj Patil. They ignored all this, gave licenses to these companies, potentially jeopardizing national security, all under the guidance of an Italian godmother and aided by silence of puppet Punjabi Prime Minister. Isn't that wonderful, people? People from different caste, color, religion, all coming together for one common cause, a scam, a ghotala. And finally, have you ever wondered why nobody gets caught in India? कितने सारे scams में कोई नहीं पकड़ा जाता? This can be explained by Archimedes' law of buoyancy. Remember that? Any minister fully or partially immersed in corruption is pushed up by a buoyant force which is equal to the weight of the money displaced by him in these scams. So if you make the free body diagram of Chidambaram, there's a downward force acting equal to his weight, mg. And upward buoyant force is equal to m into 2g, which is... So Lokpal to pass hone se raha. I think government should at least pass laws of corruption. Like you have Newton's laws of motion. Laws of corruption. Law of corruption 1. Black money at rest will remain at rest. Scams in motion will remain in motion. Until and unless an external force, Jan Lokpal, is applied to them by people outside the parliament. This law is also called as inertia of corruption. Law of corruption 2. Force applied on CBI not to investigate the case is equal to MA, where A is the amount of scam money in question and M refers to Madam G. फिर आपने देखा होगा प्रशांत भूषण पे वो पिटवा दिए थे, अरविंद केजरीवाल पे चप्पल मारी थी, बाबा रामदेव को रात में पिटवा दिया. Law of corruption 3. Every peaceful action by the anti-corruption activists will have an equal and opposite violent reaction by the government. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle of corruption. पढ़ा है आपने? It's impossible to determine with absolute certainty a minister's past and his future scams. In fact, the product of the uncertainty in his past and his future scams can never be less than h by 2 pi, where h is his haramkhori constant.